We're taking to the skies to explore the exciting world of AI and the evolution of autonomous drones in 2024. The past few years have seen remarkable advancements in drone technology, largely driven by AI. These autonomous drones are no longer just remote-controlled devices. They're now intelligent machines capable of making decisions in real time. With advancements in AI algorithms, drones can now navigate more complex environments, react to unforeseen situations, and even collaborate with other drones. The applications of AI-powered drones are vast and varied. In agriculture, they're used for precision farming, monitoring crop health and irrigation needs. In emergency response, drones provide critical real-time information for search and rescue missions. In environmental monitoring, they offer unparalleled data collection capabilities for studying wildlife and tracking climate change effects. With these advancements come challenges and ethical considerations. One of the primary concerns is privacy and security, as drones can collect massive amounts of data. There's also the need to ensure the safe integration of drones into existing airspace, avoiding collisions with other aircraft and ensuring public safety. Looking to the future, the possibilities for AI and autonomous drones are virtually limitless. We're seeing the development of drones that can autonomously charge themselves, drones capable of long-duration flights, and even drone swarms that operate in sync for complex tasks. The integration of AI is making drones smarter, more efficient, and more adaptable to a range of use. As we move further into 2024, AI-driven autonomous drones are not just a technological marvel. They are becoming an integral part of various industries, reshaping how we approach tasks and offering new perspectives on the world. At Initiant, we're excited to keep an eye on this sky-high trajectory of drone technology. For more content on the latest tech trends and innovations, make sure to subscribe to Initiant.